Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making chicken wings barbecue. Let's start cooking. Let me show you my ingredients. Chicken wings. These are the ingredients for the marinade sauce. Okay, I will link everything in the description or in the recipe. But these are all the ingredients for barbecue marinade sauce. Okay, we'll start with adding our soy sauce. So this is light soy sauce. And we'll add our tomato sauce, brown sugar, pineapple juice, sesame oil, white vinegar, or apple cider vinegar, whatever you have. Our minced ginger and our garlic, minced garlic. Okay, we will mix all our sauce ingredients together until they're all well combined. Okay. Okay, our sugar's fully melted now into the liquids that we've combined together. So our sauce, or our marinade sauce for our chicken wings is ready. We will now go ahead and add it to our chicken. Add all of it. No, I'm not going to add all of it. I'll save a little bit on the side because I'm going to use that to paste the chicken as it's cooking along with the leftover marinade. Put my gloves on and I'll go in, give a good massage to the chicken, make sure that marinade is covering all the chicken wings. Okay, so I think we're done. That should do it for now. We will cover our bowl, the chicken. We will chuck it in the fridge and let it sit there for a few hours, however long you want to marinate. Overnight is even better. And then we will come back and start cooking our chicken wings. Okay, I will see you in a short moment. Well, I'll see you very soon. Okay, families and friends, welcome back. I am ready to cook our barbecue now. So what I'll do, I've got some metal skewers here and I'm just going to thread my chicken through it. So I'm threading it like that. I decided to cook it this way so it's easier for me to just turn the whole skewers around, or the metal skewer. Okay, that's it. Start with that and then I'll put it on the barbecue. Okay, so I make sure the actual, I think it's called drumlet, part of the chicken wing, make sure it sits properly on the skewer. Excuse the mess. All right, just do one more. Okay. Just add some of that marinade, leftover marinade sauce. that we put aside. Hope you're having an amazing day, everyone. It's been a while since I cooked barbecue, but yeah, it's just chicken wings and sausages for tonight. And I am using one of the famous Hawaiian barbecue marinade sauce, which is huli huli sauce or marinade. Okay, everyone, our food is ready now. Okay, our food is ready. You can see it through the smoke. Here's my plate. Okay, here it is. I'm having it with macaroni salad. Okay. And I'm going to taste our chicken. Best time to eat it while it's hot, straight from the barbecue. Chicken tastes really nice. I like the marinating sauce. Huli huli, the famous Hawaiian barbecue marinade, one of their famous sauce or marinade sauce. I hope you enjoy cooking with me, making barbecue with the family. Take care. Thank you for the support that you continue to give me and the family. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Subscribe to my channel and help me out and become a member. The information is in the link below. So yeah, we appreciate you all. We love you, and take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.